Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about merging in Git. So, with GitLab, typically when you have a merge request, it means that you're ready to merge your branch into your main branch. So, when you go through your code review and everything is all good, here I'm just going to ignore this comment. But let's say you're all good, you could click this merge button. Okay, so once you merge that, then your changes will go into your main branch. So let's take a quick look at what our current main branch looks like. So if I do git checkout main, notice that the test file is not there, right? And also in my README, um, there's no super keyword here, right? Now if I do git checkout my branch, there is a super keyword and then there's a test file that says hello Kevin. Okay. So after merging, we should expect our main branch to have these changes in our branch 3. So let's go ahead and check that out. So if I click merge, right now there's no approval needed, but you can if you want to for a team. So notice now that I hit merge, the changes has been merged. So notice that when you merge, the merge request will be closed. There's no longer any open ones. And then if I come back here, and now if I do git checkout main, so notice that you don't see the changes yet, right? So what you have to do now is do the git pull command. So git pull will get everything from your remote repo into your current. So now notice that my main branch now has the changes that branch 3 has. And inside my README, I have my super keyword in there. Okay, so that's how you do a merge. There's some other applications for merging as well. For example, you can merge one branch into another branch. So let's go ahead and show you how that looks like. So let's say have a git branch. I'm going to call this git branch 1. Okay, so I'm going to say git checkout 1, for example. So inside here, maybe I do a git, maybe I'll add a file call here, new file called 1.txt. And then now I'm gonna say git branch 2. So now I have a branch called 2. So if I do git checkout 2, or actually let me first commit this one. So if I do git checkout 1, if I do git add, git commit, so notice here it says I need to push it upstream because right now it's a local branch. If you do git push set upstream, the branch will go into the remote. So let me just clear this real quick, and I do git checkout 2. The one file is no longer there, right? But let's say we're on branch 2, and we want to bring in the changes from branch 1 into branch 2. What you could do here is git merge 1. Okay, so what that will do is bring the changes in branch 1 into branch 2. So this is good if you have different branches that you were working off of, and then those previous branches you want to continue working on in a newer branch, and it hasn't been merged yet. This is a workflow you can use, which is merging another branch into your current branch. Okay, so that's what I did right here. Okay, so that pretty much summarizes merging. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.